Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how to fix video not playing on Discord. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. So here are 5 easy and effective methods to fix Discord video playback issues. So step number 1 is restart Discord. Close the app completely and reopen it to refresh the system and fix temporary glitches. For step number 2 is to check internet connection. Ensure your internet connection is stable, as a weak connection can cause video playback errors. Step number 3 is clear Discord cache. Go to %app data %/discord/cache on your PC, or clear cache from your app setting on mobile to remove corrupt files. Step number 4 is to disable hardware acceleration. So to do this, go to your user settings, tap on advanced, and turn off hardware acceleration. Then after that, you just have to restart Discord. Step number 5 and the last one is to update Discord. Make sure Discord is updated to the latest version by restarting the app or checking for updates in the App Store. And that's it. These steps should help you resolve most video playbacks issues quickly. And I hope you find this helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!